Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we'll give you the actual view of MCK Pratibha project which is located in Kankurgachi Phool Bagan Kolkata. This project offers 1 and 2 BHK residential apartments. It's a G+3 building. Now this way leads towards Apollo Hospital, as from here you can see the back side of the building of Apollo Hospital. And the left way leads towards Kankurgachi Phool Bagan. It's totally an under construction project and the construction work is going on in full swing. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit inquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.